Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 26. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ما ra. Ma will be light and ra will be heavy. Why ra is heavy? Because ra, whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy and the sound should be ra. Ma ra. But make sure you don't circle your lips to make any letter heavy. You just have to lift your tongue up from the root so to make any letter heavy. Ma ra. Bun. You are creating the wasut on tanween whenever you saying it separately, because this there are two dhammas. One dhamma is the sound of dhamma, du, and the second dhamma is noon sakin. This is actually noon sakin, but you are pronouncing this sound, but it is written like this. So it is hidden. So you have to say this sound, noon sakin sound here. And noon sakin always gets sifa of the wasut when it is being pronounced. Ma, ra, bun. This medium flow of sound is called tawassut. Bun, this sound is tawassut. Ma, ra, bun. And when you will stop, you will give sukun at the end. Then dot will get rakhawa, because dot is among rakhawa letter. Maratun. And how will you stop? Marad. Marad. There will be istiqala, there will be rakhawa, and dot will be heavy. Ba. Ba is light, sound is short. Sha. Sha is short. Ran. This ra is heavy because it has fatha. Whenever it's fatha or dhamma, you're making ra heavy. So here it will be heavy. And when you will stop, then when you stop on two fathas, so the mechanism is very different. You will remove one fatha, and what is left? Two counts long vowel. Yes. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween into mad letter. So this is called mad iwad. Mad iwad. Mad to stretch any letter, and iwad in exchange. So when you are exchanging one sound to another, this is called mad iwad. Basharan. And how will you say when you will stop? Bashara. B for kasra, give E sound. Da for fatha, open your mouth, and the sound is short. Min. Again, there's the min. You are giving sifa of the wasut. Be the min, because one fatha and one kasra is kasra. The sound is mi, but the second kasra is noon sakin. Actually, this is noon sakin. Actually, this is noon sakin, but it is written like a one kasra sound. Kasra in a kasra in the shape of kasra. Yeah. Be the min, be the min, and when you will waqf at the end, you will get sukun on meme, and meme will get sifa of the wasat, because lin amar are the letters. Whenever these get sukun, it gets sifa of rakhawa, sifa of the wasat, and the wasat is a medium block sound. Be the min. And how will you stop? Be them. This is tawassut. Lu for dhamma, circle your lips. Ba is short, blue ba. Then give sifa of tawassut, because this second fatha is actually noon sakin. So whenever you will pronounce this noon sakin, you will give sifa of the wasut, because lenomar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukun, gets sifa of the wasut, and the wasut is a medium flow of sound. Then this sound is that the wasut. Luba then. And how will you stop? Yes, this is mad awad. When you see two fathas at the end, and you are giving waqf, you will remove one fatha, and what is left? Yes, this is long vowel. So you are exchanging the sound of the tanween into mad letters. So this is called mad, to stretch anything, and awad, you are in exchange. So because of the exchange of tanween into mud, you are exchanging it. That's why it is being stretched. Lubada, but it will be 2 counts long only. Lubada, su for dhamma, circle your lips. Ra for dhamma, circle your lips. And ra is heavy because whenever ra is for with dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy. Su uru, uru. Make sure you make ra heavy. Urun, and give the tawassut because you are pronouncing tanween, because the second dhamma is actual noon sakin. So give the tawassut. Sururun. This sound is called tawassut. And when you will stop, you will give sukun at the end. So surur. So ra will be heavy because when there is ra with sukun, you check the letter immediate before it. When if it's with dhamma or fatha, then ra will be heavy. So ra this is dhamma before ra sukun. So we will make this ra, the second ra, heavy. Surur when you are giving sukun. Sad is a heavy letter. Whenever you find any heavy letter, you will write capital H. Sa, ma. For fatha, open your jaws. And dun for tanween, you are giving sifa tawassut because the second noon is actual noon second. Samadun, how will you stop? You will give sukun at the end. So qutu wujadin are the letters. When they are with sukun, they will get sifa of qalqala. So here the qalqala, sifa of qalqala will be activated over here when you will give sukun on dal. Samad. Ta is short and heavy. Heavy letter gets this capital H, abbreviation of capital H. Ba. Ba is light. Qin. Give the wasut at the end because you are saying tanween kasra, because you know the first kasra is kasra, the second one is actual noon sakin, so give it a sifa of tawasut. Tabaqin, how will you stop? When you stop, you will give sukun at the end. So now qutubu jaddin are the letters. When they are with sukun, they will get sifa of qalqala, and qaf is among qutubu jaddin, so you will give qalqala. Tabaqa. Qa is short, sa is short. Qasamun. Give sifa of the wasut at the end because you are pronouncing the neen. Qasamun. And when you will stop, you will give sukun, and mim will give sifa of the wasut because this is among Len Omar. Qa is heavy, so you will write capital H. Qa sa, the sounds are very short. Qa sa mun. Qa sa mun. And when you will stop, qa sam. Ma is short, sin is short. Din for tanween kasra, you'll give sifa of tawassut. Why? Because one kasra is kasra, the second kasra is actually noon sakin, but it is written in this form. But you should be very clear in your mind that the second kasra or second dhamma or second fatha is noon sakin. So you make sure that you give the tawassut when they are alone. Ma, sa, din. And if you will stop at the end, you will give sukun, and dal with sukun will get sifa of qalqala. Masad. Ra. Ra is heavy for fatha. Whenever ra will get fatha or dhamma, it is a heavy letter. So ra, sha. Sha is short. Then you will give tawassut, sifa tawassut when you are saying in continuation. How will you stop it? When you see fathatain at the end, when you are giving sukun, then what you will do? You will remove one fatha. And what is left? This is 2 counts long vowel. Look, this is left. So this is 2 counts long vowel, right? Alif sakina qabla maftuh. So rashada, it will be 2 counts long. This is called mad iwad. You're exchanging one sound into another. Ra, ra, is heavy here. So say raw. It cannot be ra. It's a raw. Raw. Short sound. Qaf is heavy. So we will write capital H. Ba short. Ra. Qa. Ba. Tin. You'll give the sifa of the wasut here because you're pronouncing tanween. So whenever you find circle ta at the end, you will convert into ha. Raqabatin. So how will you start? You will give sukun and you will convert into ha. And ha will get sifa of rukhawa. Raqabah. The sound should flow. Fa is short and it will get hums whenever fa is there. Whenever you see fa in any form, you will give sifa of hums. Hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. Fa, la, kun, give tawassut. Fa, la, kun. And how will you stop? You will give سكون and فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with سكون, it will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath, and kaf is among those letters. فحسه شخص سكت sin kafta. Okay. فلك ain from your throat. For kasra, give e sound. Na is short. Aina ban. Give tawassut because you're pronouncing tanween. How will you stop? You saw what? At the end, you saw fathatain, two fatha. So you will remove one fatha. What is left? This is a long vowel. So you will make it 2 counts long. And this is called mad iwad. Mi'ina ba. Fu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ru. For ra, circle your lips. Furu shin, give tawassut because you are pronouncing tanween. Furu shin, how will you stop? You will give sukun at the end. And shin will get rakhawa, shin will get tafashi, the sound should flow. Furush, the sound should be there, it should flow. Furush, ku, circle your lips very well. For every dhamma, you have to circle your lips. Ku, fu, one. For to pronounce the mean, you're giving sifat tawasut. Kufuwan. And when you see this 2 fatha at the end, when you are giving waqf, so what you will do, you will remove this 1 fatha. So what is left? This is 2 counts long now. So this process, all process is called mad iwad. Kufuwan. A short. Ha short. Dun, give tawassut. Ahadun. How will you stop at the end? You will give sukun, and this will activate sifa of qalqala here, because kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever you will give sukun at the end, on them, you will create sifa of qalqala. Ahad. Nu, circle your lips. Su, the sound should be very short for both of them. Nu, su, kin, give tawassut. Nu, su, kin, because you're pronouncing tanween. That's why you are activating this sifa of tawassut. And how will you stop? You will give sukun at the end. So, فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukun, so you will give hums. And hums is a flow of breath. So you are applying hums here on kaf. Nusuk. La short. Ba short. Labanan. Give the wasut because you're pronouncing tanween. And in tanween, 1 fatha is fatha and the other one is nun sakin. So whenever you're pronouncing nun sakin, you are applying sifa of tawassut. Labanan. How will you stop? Whenever you see 2 fathas, you remove 1 fatha, and what is left? 2 counts long vowels. So this is called mad awad. You are exchanging tanween sound into mad. So this is called mad awad. labana. Ki, short, and light, sa, short. Fan, give sifa. Tawassut, fan, this sound is called tawassut. Kisafan, and how will you stop? There are two fatha, remove one fatha, and what is left, it will be two counts long now. This is called mat iwad. Should I write it for you? Yes. What we say it? Mat iwad. Iwad. Iwad means to exchange. So you are exchanging this tanween into mad letters. So that's why you are stretching it. So you are saying mad to stretch any letter. Iwad in exchange. Kisafan. How will you stop? Kisafa. A from your throat. Sa short. Both are short. Asa. Lean. Give the tawassut because you're pronouncing tanween. Asalin. How will you stop? You will give sukun on lam. So this will get sifat tawassut again because lin umar the letters whenever these are with sukun gets tawassut. Asal. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.